Model 2015 Ford Transit Custom 290L2 long wheelbase, front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps low roof van spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 112863 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts with a bump start. Starter motor is missing, alternator is disconnected, van has had electric fire, throttle body is all melted, the engine loom is halfway melted, all power cables for alternator and starter motor are melted, we bump started it, engine ran for a while, the engine sounds good, it will need alternator, starter motor, engine wiring, loom, power cable supply for alternator and starter motor, throttle body condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: parking sensors, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.